Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to cover guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys video hide setting. How to hide video in Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to hide video in Redmi mobile, so how to hide video one by one and step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. On not phone setting friends, click here Google file. Friends, you have Google file and you don't have, so you will have to download Google file. After download guys, open your Google file. After Google file friends, select video. Which video friends you want to hide? Select video. Friends, I want to hide 5 videos from my gallery. Friends, click here 3 dot. Friends, you want to move this video any folder, so friends click here move, and you can move in your internal storage. And friends, you want to copy, so you can copy, and you want to add to favorite, so friends click here add to favorite, and this video will save in your favorite list. And if you want to unfavorite, so friends select here and remove from unfavorite. So friends again select photos, also friends videos, 3 dot, move to save folder, and guys select password, pin and pattern. You will have to select. So friends I will use pattern lock, and friends you want to use pin, so enter 4-digit pin, and if you click pattern, so friends you will have to draw 5 dots pattern. So friends I will use pattern lock, and I will draw 5 dots pattern, because friends 4 dots pattern we cannot hide videos. Use 5 dots. Next again draw same pattern. Next, got it, video will hide from gallery. And friends back button, click you, draw pattern, and friends you can check hide videos. So like that friends we can check hide videos in Redmi mobile. And friends you want to hide this folder, so friends click here, you can hide folder. You can hide save folder in your Redmi mobile. And you want to unhide video, so first of all show your save folder, click here, draw pattern, enter password, 3 dot, select all video, move out of save folder, and friends if you click here, so you can delete permanently these videos. So friends click here, and guys video will unhide, and friends you can check this video on your device and you can use it. So like that friends we can hide video, we can unhide video in Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.